In terms of our performance, I think we've been really strong in the second half of the season. I think we were about 8 or 9 points off Haverfordwest going into the split, and then within 4 games, I believe, we were level with points on them. And to qualify and secure the playoff spot with 1 game to go is just a testament to the boys and to the team and to the staff that we've got at Newtown. From a personal point of view, yeah, I couldn't have asked for the second half of the season to go any better. The best run I've had in the Welsh Premier League since I've joined the league. You know, to score double figures in the league from midfield is always really nice. It comes down to a product of, you know, the way the team's been playing, and obviously when the team are doing well, it then gives me the opportunity to go and express myself.
Evans, kick rydd, berffaith gan Jordan Evans.
I think for the first maybe 2 years after I stopped playing professional football at say 21, I really struggled with coming to terms with not being a professional footballer anymore. I think it became more of like a need rather than a want, because I thought I depended on being professional for my happiness, you know. And now I'm at a stage where I feel very, very happy in my life as a whole. And I think my football, I'm probably playing the best football I have in years. And I think that's a product of being happy and content with the place I'm in my life as a whole now. I was at Oxford at the time, I was 20 years old, and we had an outside sort of speaker come in who spoke to the lads about life after football. I spoke to one of the boys and he said, I quite fancy being a barber, and I just couldn't get my head around it. I'd never heard anyone say that they want to be a barber. So I asked him why, and he said, I enjoy the environment, I go get my hair cut every week, you know, I enjoy being in the barber shop, it's social. I sort of class it as the same sort of feeling as being in the change room with the lads, and that sort of stuck with me, and I got a bit obsessed with it. Albeit fast forward, you know, 12, 18 months, I ended up falling out of the game a lot sooner than I'd imagined, and it gave me the opportunity then to delve into the next sort of stage of my life. And I think I had no doubts that I wanted to pursue barbering. There's a bit of a running joke between the lads that I keep switching clubs to get more clients, but that's not the case. I remember when I first qualified and I was at Bala, I cut, you know, a couple of boys in the change rooms before training and in the games and stuff, and that was really nice that they trusted me to do that, you know. I'm really happy with my sort of career as a barber, that my football is now taking off and I'm playing better football than I did, say, 2 or 3 years ago. We've had a really good run of form going into the playoffs. I believe that we're a match for anyone now, both on ability, on current form, and sort of like on momentum. I think no one will want to play us because, you know, we have been playing so well. From a team perspective, we should have no fear going into the playoffs, and I think it will be a point now that we've made it. We do want to go win it, and we do believe that we can go win it as well.